Got a loved one who loves to explore and adventure? Surprise them with the ALHONLY Outdoor Alternatives Black Retractable Multi-Tool. This innovative tool is not only practical, but also has an added bonus of being perfect for self-defense. Plus, its sleek black design means you can keep it in your pocket while taking on all life throws, and so that no matter what happens or where you go, you'll be ready. Whether your loved one is an experienced adventurer or just starting to explore the great outdoors, this multi-tool will undoubtedly come in handy on their next trip. The self-defense capability provides an added layer of security and peace of mind, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who values safety and practicality. Overall, the ALHONLY Outdoor Alternatives Black Retractable Multi-Tool is a fantastic gift option that will be appreciated by any outdoor enthusiast. It is a reliable and versatile tool that is sure to come in handy on any adventure. Check it out at the link below this video.